Go carpet cleaning in Roswell, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning commercial and residential services are well known for our excellent care and attention to detail for the care your carpets require. Not only are the products we use eco-friendly, but they're also safe for any family, pets and kids. So once our job is done, you won't have to worry about poisonous residue being left behind. We provide top-to-bottom carpet cleaning services in Roswell that are both effective and safe. Most importantly, we make sure our clients are happy with our work before we leave their home or office. Our customers love their experience with us, and here's what they have to share about it.
Gal's work was awesome. He was very professional and thorough with explaining his process, recommendations, and pricing. My carpet was heavily soiled, and he was able to remove stains I didn't think would ever come out. Especially the 2 large black ink stains my grandchildren made. I recommend Gal's services to anyone needing their carpet cleaned, especially deeply cleaned. Thank you again, Gal. And if we decide not to go with hardwood flooring, we definitely will be booking you again.
The technician Ben was so nice and polite. He explained me and answered every question I've had. They arrived on time. I recommend you to use them.
In addition to carpet cleaning, did you know we also professional clean traffic patterns in your home or office? High traffic areas refers to the dirt that collects where individuals walk. Repeatedly walking over the exact same area of carpet in a room will eventually leave dirt that gets pressed down into the carpet. Not only can we get rid of the toughest dirt and grime, but you'll also see that we offer the best carpet cleaning in Roswell and the neighboring area. Are you interested in learning more about Roswell? The city of Roswell is in Fulton County, Georgia, United States. The largest employers within the city include the Harry's Farmers Market, Kimberly-Clark Corporation, and the North Fulton Regional Hospital. Residents of Roswell have a lot of recreational activities to engage in the city. The Chattahoochee Nature Center offers awesome nature trails and bird-watching sceneries. The Sky Zone Trampoline Park is a child-friendly indoor park. The Roswell Mill, built by Roswell King, is a historic building through which the city grew. We would love to help you with your carpet needs, or any of our other services. We extend our services to those in and around Roswell. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaning@atlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Roswell-GA/ or call us at 678-818-5698.